What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, and I'm answering some newbie rider questions. And we've heard this all the time. And if someone comes in, they're a new rider, and they're looking at it, and their goal is, they ask the question of, what's the fastest bike in the quarter mile? My answer, and I know they're a new rider, my answer pretty much has to be whichever bike you're not riding and whichever bike someone who's good is riding. And because honestly, most of these bikes are extremely fast. You're asking the wrong questions for a new rider. I mean, obviously you can go look at magazine articles and figure that stuff out. But when you're a new rider, the bike, it's not like a car where you just get in the car and push down the gas pedal. This is like an extremely fast car where you push down the gas pedal, or you get on the clutch, or you get heavy on the throttle, and stuff crazy starts happening. The back end starts going up. The motorcycle gives you a third dimension where that front end can start coming up. Motorcycles are dangerous. You need to be a pretty skilled rider to be, drag racing in the quarter mile. And it's just the wrong question to ask. But to quickly answer that question, whatever bike you're not riding would be the fastest one in the quarter mile. I've heard this said to me before that you are the rider is what's slowing down and keeping that bike from doing what it really wants to do. You are the weakest link on that motorcycle. So I hope that answers that question. Maybe it doesn't, but I hope it kind of does. If you have any more questions, comment below. I will try to answer them next time, and we'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe.